For what LED, wide body exit light, wall mounted. Model number, EX50 LED. A sense of security. LED exit lights are vital, and they are required in all buildings to prepare for disaster and provide security. Features: Australian approved AS 2293.3. Uses lithium battery. Energy saving. Average lifetime 50,000 hours. Maintained or non-maintained operation mode. Dimension: long, weight, high, 380 mm, 110 mm, 160 mm. Contact now. Searching for easy to install LED wide body exit lights. We've got you covered. Check www.firefactory.com.au now. Call +61 297 56 0087. Email ID sales@firefactory.net.au.